from a business perspective, there's disappointment that we've got to a stage where restrictions are necessary, or it's felt by civil contingencies that restrictions are necessary. I think it's taken us somewhat by surprise because we were operating under the impression, as I think everybody was, including government and including civil contingencies, that we were now entering a period where even if cases rose, we wouldn't see a return to restrictions. So it's taken us by surprise in that sense, but given that restrictions are necessary, or have been deemed necessary, what we're really looking for is clarity, or as much clarity as is possible in the circumstances, to enable businesses to plan for the future.
Has there been much or any engagement with the government regarding these decisions, or any that will be taken moving forward?
Well, I mean, certainly on our side, we haven't sought to consult with government on these issues because we were operating under the impression that we were now beyond restrictions or the possibility of restrictions. So on our side, we haven't sought to engage with government. And now that restrictions or the indication that restrictions may come in has been made clear, we're seeking to do that on a semi-urgent basis.
And what sort of information are you hoping that the government might be able to give you?
Well, all businesses appreciate that this is a very difficult situation, and it's been handled extremely well over the last 18 months. Last year, the government produced a document to help the community at large and businesses understand how Gibraltar would unlock as the medical emergency declined. And what we would like to see is information which operates on a similar basis. So that is to say, key indicators from a public health perspective and how those key indicators will impact business with restrictions if restrictions indeed become necessary.